Broad Spectrum has been involved with Connect East since 2004, delivering operations and maintenance for the 40-kilometre EastLink toll road and tunnels in Melbourne. Community engagement is an essential part of our business, and for the garden design project, we worked with the local residents and Swinburne University Technology landscape design students to reinvigorate the garden on top of the Mullum Tunnel. We are really happy to have been involved in helping our client, Connect East, and the community in delivering environmental and social outcomes that can be enjoyed by the local community for years to come.
Broad Spectrum works in many different communities across Australia and New Zealand. And in relation to our community engagement, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. So we sit down with our clients, with local community stakeholders and our contracts to identify the best community engagement initiatives for that particular contract.
EastLink is one of Australia's busiest tollways with more than 250,000 vehicles per day using the motorway. It's also one of the safest and quickest motorways in Melbourne, with speeds of about 95 kilometres per hour on average, and a safety record that is second to none.
The asset area on top of the tunnel roof here required renewal, so we took a different approach and engaged with Swinburne University of Technology to scope the project and work with their students so they could each provide an individual design. These designs were then shortlisted and 2 winners were awarded, and as part of their process of putting that design together, they surveyed the community. So we had input from people who are living around the area, what they use the space for, what they would hope, what they'd like to see in the space. And so at the finalisation of the project, we, after the ground preparation works that Broad Spectrum conducted, we hosted a community planting day. So we had local families enjoying planting the native plants and seeing the end of the process and the beautiful space that we've created.
Swinburne gave us the opportunity to design a water-sensitive urban design garden for the rooftop of one of our major roadways. We incorporated a lot of rock work, stone and mulch to help make this area seem a lot more softer and natural.
So when I was designing this garden, I wanted to try and replicate the Mullum Creek area and bring in native and indigenous plants to what is quite a hard landscaped area and make it look naturalistic in a creative and low maintenance way.
So we were very pleased when Broad Spectrum came to us with a proposal to work with a local university to create innovative new designs for that landscaping area and then implement it with the help of local students and also residents.